Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make this delicious vegan jackfruit tikka masala. This comes in 2 stages, but we're going to first of all do the marinade, which is 2 cans of jackfruit, 1 cup of vegan yogurt, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and another 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. We're going to start off by boiling the jackfruit just to get rid of the brine. Then we're going to squeeze that to get rid of any excess liquid. Next, I'm going in with all of the original spices I first mentioned, including the garlic and the ginger and the yogurt and a little bit of sea salt. And I'm going to give that a good stir, make sure that's nice and marinated, and I'm going to set that aside for an hour. Now for the curry itself. I've got the marinated jackfruit. I'm adding in there 1 large onion finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, the juice of 1 lemon, 700 grams of tomato passata, and I'm doubling up on everything I had originally with the spices and the garlic and the ginger. Now I'm going to fry off the chopped onions. I'm going in with all the same spices earlier, adding in the ginger and the garlic, the sugar, a bit of salt, and I'm going in with the jackfruit curry marinade from earlier, and I'm going to pour in all that tomato passata. I'm just going to cook that off. Next, I'm adding in another cup of vegan yogurt. This time I'm adding in, optional, but it's a must, some kasuri methi, which is dried fenugreek leaves. Give it a good pinch before you put it in, release all the flavors, and stick that in there. Give it a good stir. I'm going to squeeze in there half a lemon, and I'm going to serve that up with a drizzle of yogurt and some fresh coriander, or cilantro if you're Americano. Absolutely beautiful dish, folks. You're really going to like this. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, folks. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment. Do give me a subscribe. It always helps. Ciao for now. Love you all. See you on the next one.